Yeah, I bought some shoes today. Today I'm not going to do any ASMR stuff with this unboxing because I feel that if I hear myself whisper any longer, I might blow my brains out. So I'm gonna skip the ASMR for today, but maybe later just to annoy some people. Kind of got lucky with these 4 sneakers. They were all purchased from the sneakers app. Normally I never win anything from raffles, or I'm never able to cop any sort of hyped shoes. But this time for some reason I got lucky, I suppose. So yeah, managed to get a few pairs, which I will unbox as fast as I can right now. Okay, first off, we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro in turbo green, which really surprised that I was able to cop. So let's see what's inside here. Okay, cool. That looks pretty good. Oh, it's got purple laces as an extra. Okay, pretty interesting. Oh, it's got like a Nike. So the swoosh is in purple and it's got a yellow Nike Air writing on it. So, okay, cool. Pretty cool. It's got some nice writing on here. Air Jordan 1 High OG. It's almost like an aqua, like a turquoise type color. I like the little gray bit. I like how the gum area is gray. I think that's pretty neat. Okay, Air Jordan. So personally, I'm not really a fan of the colorway for this one here. But apparently it looks good with almost any jeans or trousers or pants, whatever you want to call it. Apparently it's quite versatile to wear, so whatever. We have the other half. Size 8, so I can't wear them anyway because I'm a size 10. So yeah, there we go. That's the turbo green Jordan 1. Right, up next, second pair. We have the Air Jordan, another size 8, so I'm not going to be able to wear them anyway, but this is the Jordan 6 infrared. Pretty sought after, apparently. I have no idea why. Alright. Okay. That is actually much cooler looking than what I saw on the photos. The red's actually a lot brighter than I expected. Here's the other pair. I do like the color of this clear sky blue sole. So there we go, that's the Jordan 6 infrared. Very nice. I was quite shocked that I won this because this was a raffle. And I think this is a sick looking pair of shoes. This is the LeBron King edition, something like that. It's a LeBron 16 King edition. What the hell? These shoes have been created in limited quantities and are intended to be collectibles. Lace lock is for casual wear only. Please remove prior to active play. Thank you. Okay, so I'm assuming they're talking about this little metal lace lock thingy that was attached on the shoe, if I remember correctly, on the pictures. So I'm pretty sure it says it in Korean as well. Oh snap. Yeah, that's sick. That is. Look at the frickin' golden LeBron. Just dunking here. Golden swoosh. This kind of reminds me of like a Christmas tree for some reason, which I don't really dig that. But oh, that's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't really dig the design of the shoelaces and this bit here. But still, pretty cool. Holy snap. So these are what I was talking about earlier. These lace lock thingies. So, like these are supposed to like go here, like that. But I'll be honest with you, they look very cheap. They look very plasticky. Reminds me of those old robot cartoons that I used to watch when I was a kid. Like Gold Run. Anyone remember Gold Run? Anyone even know what that is? I'm just the only lame dude who played with golden robot toys when I was young. Okay. The other pair here. I'm pretty sure the camera can't capture this, but inside the sole there's like a nice, cool golden LeBron logo inside here, but whatever. Very, very cool. Cool LeBron logo at the front. That's the LeBron 16. Moving on. Okay, so the last one is pretty simple, pretty standard stuff. Nothing hyped up about it. It's just the Air Max 98 in the Summit White, which you guys can just buy from the Nike store. Yep. Damn, that's actually really nice looking. It's like a cool granddad shoes from the future. It says 98 on it here as well. That's really nice. The blue Air, red swoosh, and the outline, silver swoosh, grey sole. I like the fact that this is red and the insole is red with a cool design. Yeah, I dig it. I just think it's a nice, standard, comfy looking, decent looking shoes. Here's the other half. I used to hate the looks of these shoes, like these ugly, Squirtle looking grandpa shoes. But I don't know, like since I moved to America, I kinda grew on me, like just, maybe it's because the whole bulky ugly shoes are the trend recently as well. I'm just seeing it a lot and it's just grown on me, so yeah, I think these are really cool. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna sell these. Maybe I'll wear it for myself. But there we go. Okay, so this one, and this one is already sold. So basically I've made roughly $120 profit from these 3 shoes. This one, I'm not gonna sell it. I'm gonna keep it for myself. I'm gonna wear it. So yes.